In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost, exit my dog!
To go in holes and chase rabbits out. I call them German ninjas.
Did you eat my burger? Lambo.
Rooney. Alright, goodbye, Bailey.
It is bedtime. Let's go.
My son didn't understand why he was barking until he found out he was deathly scared of balloons.
We're eating, bud. Oh my gosh. Look at him.
3, 2, 1.
So we're watching the Super Bowl, and I hear these two just crying, and then I notice my dog has eyebrows.
No bite.
Love you. We love you.
Hi. Hi.
Don't show off.
I'm ready for adoption? Hell no.
Get back. Do not come in. Don't do it.
What's he doing? Good morning. Good morning.
What you doing? We're eating, bud. Oh my god.
Hi. Hi.
I'll be right back. Move your nose.
Hello. Hello.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Oh man, let's go.
Thanks, Jasper. Mars.
Duke, stop. This is. Oh my God!
She's been drinking all day.
No. 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 Hey.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Marshall. Happy birthday to you.
A birthday girl. She gets a birthday cookie. Yes. And Maple, you gonna see Maple!
She's chewing on your tail, man. He said, what?
Who did this mess? Cody, did you make this mess?
My other dog is making fun of my corgi's short legs.
It's okay. Oh, it's okay.
In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost, exit my dog!
Will you be my Valentine?
What?
Did you chew that receipt? Did you chew that?
I can't help you at the moment, dude. I'm a little indisposed.
Oh, it's a chicken. Okay.
Stella, you want to go bang?
Are you gonna come in? Hey, come on. You're really gonna swim in the rain? It's your turn, lost my jaw.
You know, hug him.
This my baby, and ain't nobody finna touch him.
House, come on, city. Do you like the? Oh!
Alexa, Simon says Tyson is a bad boy.
Tyson is a bad boy.
No. You do not bite. No.
Bravo, ma che vuoi? Diglielo. Ah.
Bring your butt here!
you step on the flowers.
Get your paw. Get your paw off the table.
No, hey, you have your own bed.
Remember how nice it is?
Don't you want to sleep in that one?
Then I will.
My GF just got a dog, but I think the dog adopted her.
Oh my god.
Oh! Brother, what's that?
This is my new carpet. Come on, man. No!
Day driving around with
My box!
Stop. Stop.
You're a bad boy.
Clean up, gently lang. Oh! Oh my god!
Hey, what you doing? Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Again. Wow. You're my little good boy, baby. You're my little good boy.
You're a good boy. That's it, you're a good boy. That's it.
Maddie, don't bite Dad.
That is not nice.
Let me try. Oh,
yeah. Do you have a problem? Oh, I'm sorry. I'll go over here.
Oh, now she's gonna sit between us. Oh, man.
What about Mom? Can Mom take me?
Canela, you stealing from me? Smell it. Smell it.
Bo. Are you okay, Bo? I'm dying.
Sandria.
Get your tongue off my door. Get it off my door.
I swear to God, if you step on my hair one time, I'm gonna yeet you down that hallway. There's normal dogs. And then there's Bella.
I'm not buying my hands, I'm gonna buy shirts.
Stop! No!
There used to be a dolphin. Maybe there still is a dolphin called Fungi.
What the f***? Don't flip!
Your mom looks like a dog.
Gigi! Stop!
What the?
Is this your food? Yeah? Did you get more hot dog food?
Stop, you dumb hoe. I'm so sorry. I take it back. I'm not sorry at all.
Bozy, what do you think? Does that look like you?
Did you chew that receipt? Did you chew that?
You wanna go outside? You want some big booty bitches? Ah, just like your old man.
Dog. I don't want to see any of these like good boys and good girls sitting.
Mason, what did you just do?
Canela, you stealing from